Hope all of you are well. You have to create site googlesite.com for that any purpose. I will show you one purpose, that is Amazon affiliate marketing, and that site is totally free and you can create and earn some passive income from online. So for that reasons you have to go sitegoogle.com, and sitegoogle.com you down and click these options, and that this page will be open on your phase. Okay, so for that reasons you have to create different kinds of template here. There are lots of template uh, uh, you can create and you can edit. So there are so many templates if you expand it, and there are so many templates. You can create your project, you can create a team, you can create a portfolio, holidays party, dog walker, and lots of theme are here available here. See, so for the reasons I will take single. If you take a single, you can create here by this way. You can take this. If you don't take theme, and then you can create text, images, embed, tribe. Here is next. Okay, you can click here and move these things around. Work with others. You can work with others here. Yeah, and okay, got it, and you can publish it. Okay, for that is you have to take different types of slide here, and you can click collapse, cruise, table contents, images, cursors, button, drop, space, social link, placeholder, calendar, maps, docs, sliders, sheets, form, characters, everything you have to click, and pages you have to create pages and themes. There are lots of themes you can customize that themes, and that uh, many things. So by that way, you can if you simply create a if you simply create a pages, you can go by this way. You will write this here. If you take this Amazon, click. Okay, that's you can create here. Here you can bold it, and you can italic here, and then you can underline everything. Yeah, everything you can calculate, and you have to give a title. Okay, you can give and add a logo here. You can create a logo if you take a logo, and then you can create here your template. If you bring the text or pages, if you bring a text, you can here text is here, and you can image is here. You can image if you click an image, huh, and if you can embed it, here is a text, another text here, another text here. You can get images here. You can create an image whenever just upload here, and you can drag there. Okay, and add footer, and you can create a footer, and you can create like. So let's start. We can take this template. Here is it. You can get, and you can also take here freedom plus, and here also you can take. So if you delete it, or if you delete totally this page, you can click here. Okay, and that's going to delete. So I can show you in a hurry. For that you have to. We can create a product here. Okay, some case I go to my Amazon link. I here I come in to my Amazon link. I will show you how you can add the product. Uh, so here is the product. Why I can do edit? That they given to me that's the holiday show, and Amazon is there is a trending deal or still live and holiday info. So for the reasons I click here the agency machines, and that will be open, and then you have to download the pages. So if I maybe if I take a download page here, okay, go to here and upload. Here I'm uploading. The sections will be open, and then I have to go and here an Amazon product. Where is Amazon product? Home appliance. Oh no, that's not upload. Okay, so I have to upload that. Here's the product. I click here, and that will be open. You can drag that image here. Okay, here is it, and click the other details. I have to go the details. Here the details. Here is the name, and you can click this here. You can click that, and you have to that, and you have to center it, or you can center it like that. Okay, and click edit text, and more you can edit here. What is the brand, and what is the uh, these options are here. You can type and copy that and paste it. Okay, so here is it, and how it works. You have to uh, write this for the viewers that will come and then visit here. Okay, here the options are here. As the product description, you can click here. Okay, and then you have to paste it. That's, and now you have to paste your link, affiliate link. You can click these pages and click here, and then copy, and then delete. You have to crop and copy. So I have to go my Amazon affiliate. Just click here, and I have to copy this, and then I have to paste here. Okay, apply. Okay, and then okay, you also copy here your link. Okay, here apply. Okay, and then you have to click here. Okay, then okay, and then you also click here and copy that link. Thus, any clickable link will be come, and that will be open in your uh, visitor second. Amazon shopping star $5. So that's the Amazon, and you can now publish it. You have to before publishing there is some mistake. You have to publishing. You have to add a button. Here is the button. Here link. That's the link. Here you can click and insert. And you have to break this. And okay, that's okay. Fine. Okay. Okay. So good. Yeah. And okay. Fine now. That's the button. And that's all are okay. And now we have to publish it. Okay. So let's go. So everything is okay, and then everything is done, and then when we publish, and they are talking that which address you want to publish it. Okay, you can here is the website. You can take that website, Amazon Shopping, and copy this, and then whenever publish, and claim Amazon Shopping. Okay, our address is talking. Okay, you have to cancel it. Shopping. another shot. That will be okay. Now, okay, that's great. So we can publish it. So view your site. Here is your site. Okay, site is ready now. If anyone click here or here or here, the director will go. So by that way, how you can promote it easily? So I showing you one option that is Tumblr. So this is very easy. You can go by text or by photo. If we go for a photo, click the photo, click here and create. Okay, that's a photo. You can upload that photo which you already download. That's the photo. You can click here, and then you have to click here the title. Okay, here is the title. Here is the title, and then you have to click here. Okay, and then okay, and then you have to create a link here. Where is the and direct you can click your Google site. Click. Okay, here is the link. Just the link. Okay, so here's the your link. Here's the link. You can click Google site. Click here, and then you have to click here. There's the link, or you can create here the link. Okay, here's the link. You can paste here, and then that's a clickable. Okay, you can uh, sorry, just like you can text. What is it? Is you can create here and enter, and then sorry, click here again, and here you can delete some work here. Oh, that post will be created. Where is your post? How can you see that your here is it? If you if anyone click here, they'll be come to your page. That's the page. If they click here, they directly go to these pages. Okay. By that way, you can earn some passive income. By daily, you can post here 20 to 30 or 15 to 20 posts. So every day, just 30 to 40 minutes, you can expand here. And by that way, you can earn some. And generate your link in Facebook, Twitter also. If you go to your Twitter, if I go to the Twitter, okay, here you can post that uh, Alexander the link, Google Sites link. Here's the link. Here's the link. You can copy and just I pasting here like this. Okay, and then that will be here. And also you can post in Instagram also. You can post here in Instagram. I go to Instagram. Here is the Instagram, and also you can post your LinkedIn. Here is a LinkedIn. Okay, you can go by that way. Here is the Instagram, and here is the LinkedIn. Okay, if I go to Instagram, the Instagram will be open, and then create here. You can click here, create post, click here post, and then select from computer. That our only the images for the reasons we have to click select from computer, and then you have to go your LinkedIn profile and post there also. Okay. Sorry, here I select, that should be select, open, Here is the next, and then you can copy. Here go both sides link. Okay, copy here, and then here is the Instagram here. Okay, just write the main things of that headline. Here copy here, and just locations you have to write here USA. Okay, USA we just select and then share. And also in the LinkedIn, you have to post here directly that link. You can copy. Here's the main things and copy your Google size link and then go here and paste it. And whenever paste it, the link page is open and that's it. And you can post it. Okay. Okay, that's the post. And then you have to go. That's the post. If you go your profile, you go to that's your post. And also you can go to continue. No need to continue. You can go back. Oh, sorry, this curve, and that's okay. Yeah, your post. Okay. If anyone go and purchase, you can get the commission, and you will see your commissions. If I go to my commissions, I will show you that that's the payment history. I will show you payment. I will incoming. That's $11.7 I have already earned. Okay. So that's all. If you like and share with your friends and family, and you can get your passive income by this way. And any social media, any mediums you can